Good morning everyone. Welcome to my vlog Yorme 23. Guys, we have cycling today at Maidan Park. Stay safe guys. Okay? Take care. Good morning, Dubai Duty Free. How are you today?
Shout out Irish
Join
Village.
me. We have
Number 1.
cycling today at Maidan.
Follow, subscribe. Yorme 23.
Shout out to my big boss, Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay safe always, boss, and take care. How are you? Morning, bro. Morning, bro. Morning. Boss Raymond, ito ka. Hello to all Al Maktoum Duty Free. Amiya Al Maktoum, number 1. Number 1
Yorme, our Yorme friend, the only one vlogger in Duty Free. Saludo kami sa iyo, Yorme boss.
Follow and subscribe. This is my friend Kuya Raymond from Philippines.
Ito paggawaan, no?
Ni hama. Hello, how are you? Good morning, Duty Free. Shout out Estong TV and AI Duo. Boss, how are you? Good morning. Good.
Okay.
Good morning, HR department.
Start in 10 minutes for the quick briefing. 10 minutes.
Sir Jopet, good morning. And to all marketing department. They have a free t-shirt from Dubai Duty Free. Small, medium, and large. Hello to all display department. Stay safe always and take care. Enjoy your life. Hello to all Sapir boys. I'm sorry my friend, I didn't come to play basketball this day because I have a cycling at Maidan. Shout out Sapir boys, Papi Larry, Norsid Batang Mindanao, Michael Danhill, Reggie Armani, Sherwin Dwight, Kuya Dos, Onen, Boss Ernie Gucci, and Ryan Bullet, Menjil, Cooks, Ompong, Eman, Marlon Store Assistant, Barry, Ron Keremit. Guys, let's go to bicycle shop. Shout out to all my friends and colleagues. Stay safe, stay healthy always, enjoy your life. Mambo Jumbo, Hakuna Matata, my friend. How are you? Give me mountain bike, medium size 29. Thank you very much.
Award top 5 male and top 5 female to receive 500 dirhams to be credited to your staff payroll, plus additional 5 for male, 5 female for gift packs from Dubai Duty Free. Okay, do you have any questions? None? Okay, before we start, don't be shy. Group photo 1, group photo facing this. People from here, one group photo. Alright, people, let's have one.
Hello to Ma'am Agnes and Ma'am Nelly. Stay beautiful.
Change flight, change flight.
Alright, the count is 3.
Kunin mo na yung bike mo. Ito na yung bike mo.
Hello, Concourse A, Shipsy. Let's go, guys. Join me. Cycling ride at Meydan Park.
Dubai Duty Free staff, right?
Shout out to all my friends and colleagues, to merchandising department, Ma'am Sonia, Ryan Lopez, and Boss Roger. Stay safe always and take care. Be happy. Enjoy your life. Best regards to all my friends in the airport. Marhaba. Dinata. Emirates Airline, Transguard, and G4S. Also, Irish Village. Stay safe and take care.
Jaldi karo, jaldi karo.
Greetings to Joen Bulgari, Dan Badaguas, Batang Ilocos Sur, Remar, Rikrak. Stay healthy, stay pretty boy. Hello to all my batchmate 2008, paring Ian, paring Albert, paring Carlos number 1. Paring Jigs, paring Ron Chua, Batang Cavite. Stay pretty boy. Enjoy your life.
Yorme, number 1. Number 1. Dubai Duty Free, number 1. Dito kami kay Yorme. Yorme lang sa kalam. Yorme lang sa kalam. Thank you. Nagmamadali sila. Hindi nagmamadali yan. 500 jump pre. Oo.
Shout out to my friend Raikel from City. Roy the legendary, Konsi, Jam, and Danny from Electronics, Amin, Sir John.
Una ka.
Take care always, stay healthy.
Shout out, Cash Office! Number 1!
Hello to all dedicated staff from
Guys, you know this
Terminal
guy?
1, Terminal 2, Terminal
Cash
3,
Office
and
Department!
Al Maktoum
Number
Airport.
1!
More sale, my friend. And take care always.
Good morning, kabayan! How are you? How are you? Assalamualaikum! Enjoy lang. Shout out, Concourse A! Shipsy! Good morning! My big boss, how are you today? Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, and Boss Tangkachan. Stay safe, stay healthy always, and take care.
Shout out to all my beautiful managers. Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Joy, Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Melanie.
Dubai Duty Free, Rakam
Stay beautiful always and take care. God bless. Greetings to my friend Muhammad Emarati and Boss Walid. Take care always. Enjoy your life.
Shout out HR department, good morning. Stay safe, stay healthy. Number 1. Number 1.
Number 1.
Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum, my friend. Run, 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 run. Let's go, let's go. Good morning, my friend. हाँ भाई
Aywa.
कैसा है भाई
ठीक है.
अच्छा है भाई Duty free रकम वाहिद number 1 shout out to all my friend Pakistan, Indian,
Indian.
Nepal,
Indian from
Sri Lanka,
Afghani, Irani,
Afghani, Irani,
Russia, Baluchi,
Baluchi.
Kazakhstan.
Good morning to all Uzbekistan, African, to all my friends, shout out. Especially Dubai Duty Free, Terminal 3, Concourse A, Shipsy, number 1, Rakam Wahid, Mia Mia,
Logistic, DC.
Logistics DC, shout out to all HR department.
Oh,
Stay safe, stay healthy,
stay healthy.
stay healthy always.
Always stay
To
healthy.
all my big boss.
Aywa, safety first.
Yeah, safety first.
Aywa,
Enjoy your life.
enjoy. Yes.
Carlo watches, shout out.
Aywa, Carlo watches.
Guys, finish my ride. Alhamdulillah. I'm very tired. Hello to all Irish Village. Stay healthy, stay safe. Number 1, Mia Mia. Shout out to my friend from Kenya. My idol, Big Paul, and Big Sam Hakuna Matata Kabisa, Mambo Jumbo, Dugo Dada. Stay healthy, my friend. Enjoy your life and take care. Regards to all IT department, especially to my best friend and kumpare, paring Janelle. Congratulations. Stay pretty boy, my friend, and God bless your family always. Hello to all electronics staff concourse A, Shipsy, Amin from Morocco, Serjan from Uzbekistan, Danny, Ron Keromit, Mike Sanchez,
Sam, how are
Sheila,
you?
I'm good, fine.
and Nomad. Take care always, and we love you.
Making it this morning. Well done, you guys. We love you.
Shout out Edgar Brescia and Anthony Cortez.
With you, sir. Arnel Robit, number 5, 3339. J. Lloyd Conde, 14044. Mark Uzaraga, 6422. Mark Torrecacion, 5374. And our top one is Eleuterio Dolgine. Congratulations. Each of you will receive 500 dirhams to be credited to your staff payroll account.
Congratulations to all of you, my brothers and sisters. Number 1, Mia Mia, Rakam Wahed. Don't forget, like and support my YouTube channel, Yorme23. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all my big boss for this wonderful event. Take care always and enjoy your life. God bless. Shout out to all BA Perfume Shop from Terminal 1, Terminal 2, Terminal 3, and Concourse D. Also, Al Maktoum Airport. More sale, guys. Enjoy your life. Take care. Special greetings, Boss Matt, Sir Sarabanan, Paring Lester, and Paring Albert. Stay healthy always. Stay pretty boy. Stay safe. And take care of yourself always. Thank you very much to all committee of this cycling tournament. Number 1, Mia Mia. Also, thank you very much to all the volunteers of this wonderful event. Mia Mia Rakam Wahed. Special thanks Dubai Duty Free. Number 1, Rakam Wahid, Mia Mia. Best regards to my beautiful friend, Crazy from Kutimi, Miss Katrina from Sicily, Rosalinda Peregamo, Marisa Laperi, Annabel ng Versace. Stay beautiful, take care always, enjoy your life. Shout out to merchandising department, Boss Roger, Madam Sonia, and Ryan Lopez. Stay healthy always and take care.
Guys, we're going home.
Yalla, we're
Kalas,
going home. Good.
finish.
Yes,
Shout
very
out to
good.
all my friends, Chinese. Jordan is here. Number one. Jordan, number 1.
Guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy your life. Take care. And God bless. Hello to Miss Carmi, Jello, and Lisette. Stay healthy. Take care. Dubai Duty Free, number 1, Mia Mia. Kulo tamam, number 1. Thank you very much for wonderful event of cycling at Maidan. We love you all. Masalam.